Fleet operators managing 40 vehicles face a nightmare. Chargers from 30 different vendors, each speaking a different language. OCPI, proprietary APIs, they're all incompatible. And that's just the start. But here's the breakthrough. A cross-protocol gateway acts like a translator. It speaks every language, so your charging network works as one unified system. No more juggling multiple dashboards. One platform, one view, one way to monitor and control everything, from public to private charging stations. This isn't just about convenience. It's about real-time visibility. You can track energy use, spot issues before they happen, and optimize schedules on the fly. For logistics companies, this means lower costs, better compliance, and smarter infrastructure planning. It's not just managing chargers, it's managing performance. If you're running a hybrid charging network, this is your next step. Build a gateway now, and your charging system will finally speak the same language.